Introducing the OnePlus Pad Go and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FA. OnePlus Pad Go. I'm big and a bit heavy just for kicks. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FA, the superhero of tablets, rocking a sleek aluminum body and IP68 dust and water resistance. Pool party ready, but OnePlus Pad Go like, nah, I'll stay indoors. Both tablets have 90 Hz screens for a buttery smooth experience. The OnePlus Pad Go, bigger screen, higher resolution, fancy aspect ratio. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FO slightly shorter at 10.9 inches with a 16:10 aspect ratio. OnePlus Pad Go wins the Pixel crown with 260 ppi, but Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FEA is a close second with 249 ppi. OnePlus Pad Go, Android 13 plus Oxygen OS 13.2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, Android 13 plus 1 UI 5.1. OnePlus Pad Go, MediaTek Helio G99, 6 nanometers, boom! Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FE flexes with the Exynos 1380, a tiny but mighty 5 nanometer chipset. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, octa-core CPU, Cortex A78 cores, Mali G68 MP5 GPU. It's a winner. OnePlus Pad Go, 8 gigs RAM, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 6 gigs or 8 gigs RAM. Both have a 128 gigs or 256 gigs storage options, plus a micro SDXC slot for up to 1 terabyte more storage. So they're like storage buddies. Tablets are fighting hard in this memory match? This is where the real fun begins. Both tablets have 8MP cameras, but Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FA is like a video champion, delivering a knockout punch with 4K at 30 FPS. Meanwhile, poor OnePlus Pad Go is still stuck in 1080p land, dreaming of reaching the same video heights. Geez, both tablets have 8MP selfie cameras. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FE adds a spicy 12MP ultra-wide module for extra versatility. Video, tie. Both record in 1080p 30fps. OnePlus Pad Go, 4 speakers, loud and proud. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FA rocks stereo speakers that are no joke, a seriously impressive pair of 2. Neither tablet wants to groove with the old-school 3.5mm jack. Tied again. OnePlus Pad Go, Wi-Fi all the letters, Samsung Tab S9 FE. Wi-Fi 6 all the letters. OnePlus Pad Go brings Bluetooth 5.2, but Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FE goes Bluetooth 5.3 and beyond. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FA is the GPS king, while OnePlus Pad Go keeps it sneaky. Samsung Tab S9 FI, USB fast, OnePlus Pad Go, USB slow. The OnePlus Pad Go is a rock star with face recognition, sensors, and compass skills. This place has all the moves in the right direction for the ultimate party. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FA is a ninja with face recognition, on-screen fingerprint, and a bunch of other cool skills. Watch out, sensor smackdown tie, bro. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FE has an 8,000 mAh battery and a whopping 45 watts wired charging. It's like a speed demon, fully charged in 90 minutes. OnePlus Pad Go, 33 watts wired charging, slow poke. Samsung's Tab S9 FE outlasts OnePlus Pad Go in the endurance test. This device rocks 18 hours of video and 113 hours of music, while the OnePlus Pad Go struggles with just 14 hours of video and 40 hours of music. OnePlus Pad Go rocks the twin mint color in the ring. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FE comes in mint, lavender, gray, and silver. So many colors, it's like a rainbow. The OnePlus Pad Go is a steal at only $240 for 128 GB and 8 gigs RAM. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 FEA, $449 for 128 gigs and 6 gigs RAM. Bargain? Boom, DigiDuelers. That's it. Who will reign supreme? Who will be the ultimate champ? Comment and keep the battle going. Smash that like button, subscribe for epic duels, and ring the bell to stay in the loop.